In this video, we are going to talk about the basic Microsoft Excel function, the auto sum. Now in auto sum, you have four different functions: sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count numbers also. Now we will see how to use these functions here. The first thing we want here is the total of these numbers. Now before you use this function, you need to have your focus on that cell where you want the results to be displayed. So we want the result for the first row to be displayed here. We click here, then come and select sum. Now by default it selected all the numbers because Excel does not know that this one is not to be used in this calculation. So we will do the reselection. Now it says E3 to H3. This is E3 to H3 and then you press enter. Now this sum is of these four numbers. Now we want this sum to be displayed here also, this formula to be used on all these cells. So the easy way of doing it, you can click here in this cell and then when you bring the cursor here, you can see that it's a black plus sign. The moment you see this, you can left click and drag it down up to here. Now all these are calculated. You can see all this are the total of these four columns. Now the second one we have here maximum, minimum, and average. So the maximum means the maximum number from here to here. Now how we will do that? We can come here, click on this cell again, come to auto sum and select maximum. Now it's selected automatically all the numbers. That is what we want. So we just press enter. You can see here the maximum is 15. Now we want this to be used, this formula to be used for all these columns. So we can just click here and drag up to this point. Then similarly we have minimum, we do the same thing. From here we come and select minimum. Now you can see here it selected this one also, the maximum value also. We don't want this. We want the selection to be only with for these 10 values. So we reselected all these things again and then you press enter. Now again we want this minimum to be used for all these data. So we can drag this one again like this. Average, again it selected these two, so we don't want this. We only want the first 10 values. You select that and press enter. And then again you can calculate the average for all these once again. So these are our values. Now you can recolor these things if you want to. Something like this. Now we have our maximum, minimum, average, and the total. There is one more here which says count numbers. Now remember, this function only counts the numbers. Let's say we put this one here and we want to count the numbers in all these cells, right? So we have our focus here. We can come here and say count numbers and we select all this and press enter. Now it says there are 15 numbers. Now you see, if you count all of them, it's 3 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6 are 18. It should have 18 here, but no. There are only 15 numbers here, not 18 numbers. 3 of them are text, strings. So this function only counts the numbers. Here you can see it says count. If you want to see your function here, you can just press, you can select the cell and then press F2. So you can see the complete detail. It says count from D13 to I15. This sign means 2. This is the range. Similarly, if I come and click here, you can see it says max from E3 to E12. This one says minimum E3 to E12, and this one says average from E3 to E12. Similarly, this one says sum from E3 to H3. This is called a range. This is how we define a range. E3 to H3. Again, as I said, this is 2. So all these are range from E4 to H4. This one says E3 to E12. This is a range also.